If you're looking to understand how to read EverWebinar statistics and unlock the full potential of your webinars, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the key metrics and features in EverWebinar that help you track and improve your performance. Stick around until the end for a special bonus on how you can try this software for free, along with some exclusive perks. First off, when you log into EverWebinar and navigate to the Analytics tab, you'll be greeted with a summary of your webinar's performance. The first thing you want to pay attention to is the attendance rate. This tells you how many people actually showed up to your scheduled session compared to the number of registrants. A low attendance rate might signal that your webinar needs better promotion or more engaging content. Next, let's dive into engagement metrics. You'll see things like chat messages, poll responses, and Q and AMP, A interactions. These are important because they show you how involved your audience is. More engagement usually means a higher chance of conversion, so keep an eye on these stats to fine-tune your presentations and increase interactivity. The third thing to check is registration to show up rate. This ratio helps you gauge how effective your reminders and email campaigns are. A good reminder sequence should bring your registrants back to the webinar. If this rate is low, you might want to work on your email follow-up strategy or improve the timing of your reminders. Moving on, we have lead generation stats. If you're using EverWebinar for lead capture, you'll be able to see how many leads came through each funnel step. Knowing where people drop off in the process can help you adjust your strategy and optimize for more signups and conversions. It's all about understanding the flow from registration to conversion. Next, you'll see conversion stats, arguably one of the most important metrics. This tells you how many attendees actually followed through with the offer you presented during the webinar. A low conversion rate may point to the need for a better call to action or more persuasive content. This is where you can fine-tune your pitch to turn viewers into buyers. The final stat you want to keep an eye on is revenue generation. EverWebinar will show you how much revenue is generated directly from the webinar. You can also track affiliate sales if you're working with partners, giving you insight into what's working and what needs to be tweaked. As you go through these stats, remember that it's not just about looking at numbers. It's about understanding the story behind the numbers. By making small adjustments to your approach based on these insights, you can maximize your success with EverWebinar. So, to wrap things up, make sure to check out the statistics on attendance, engagement, registration to show up rate, lead generation, conversion stats, and revenue generation. These key areas will give you a clear picture of how well your webinars are performing. And as a bonus, if you want to try EverWebinar for free, make sure to click the first link below. You'll also get exclusive bonuses that can help you make the most of your trial period. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your webinars.